Today, I visited Saratoga Homes in the Morningstar Master Plan community located in Georgetown. This community is about a 40-minute drive north of downtown Austin. David Baumbach, founder of Saratoga Homes, an Army veteran who took the values he learned while serving and applied them to his next endeavor in the home building industry. His goal is simple: create a committed family of employees who deliver on the opportunity to live the American dream and become an extension of their family. He has committed his heart and soul to his country, our freedom, and to the homes of Americans. Saratoga has a duty to their homeowners to embrace a family-first attitude, recognizing the safety and enjoyment of their neighborhoods. They believe and stand by if you combine a thoughtful design and well-planned community with quality built homes, you create a great place to live and a solid investment that is visible to the public. If you're in the market to buy new construction in Austin or its surrounding areas, give me a call so we can schedule a time to tour this lovely community, or I can send you a personalized virtual tour if you're coming from out of state.